Welcome to the Premiere tutorials. My name is EJ. I'm going to show you how to open a project in Adobe Premiere. So first things first, we got to find the Premiere icon. It's going to be on this lower bar with all the other applications, and it's got PR as its initials. So just go ahead and click on that. It'll pop up this pink screen that is going to be loading all the assets. If you can see right here, it's loading all these different fonts and just launching the application. But don't worry about it. It may take a little bit longer on some computers than others. Just make sure you be patient. So the next thing that's going to pop up is this window. We have new, open, recent, and Creative Cloud Sync settings. You won't really have a use for Creative Cloud Sync settings unless you are importing settings from another project or account. So don't worry about that too much. If you were working on a project from beforehand, it'll show up in this open recent part. And finally, we have new. So we're going to go ahead and click on new project. And it's going to pop up a window where we need to name our project. So we're going to call it tutorial video because this is the tutorial video. And the next thing we're going to do is create a spot for it to go. We want to save it, but we want to make sure that we know where it's going to be and that it's going to be organized. So we're going to create a folder on the desktop called tutorial. And we're going to create that location so that we can save this directly into the location. So we're going to go ahead and click on Browse and Desktop, and then we'll go to Tutorial. And then it's going to be empty because we just created it. That's what you want to choose, so we'll choose that. Now if you see, it'll go directly to this folder once we save it. And that way if you ever save it and then need to go back to it, you just click into Tutorial and it'll have a saved file right there for you. Finally, all of these settings will more than likely be taken care of by the computer. It'll choose the best options for the computer when it comes to rendering video, audio, and capture. So you don't really need to touch those too much. Don't have to worry about that for now. And that's basically it. You're just going to go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to open Premiere. And there you have it. That is the quick and easy way on how to open a project in Adobe Premiere.